Your face is losing its glow. Right now. Not slowly, not someday. Right now. And the craziest part? It's not because of your age. It's not because of your genetics. It's because of small things. Tiny habits. Things you do every single day, without even thinking. And these habits, they don't damage your skin loudly. They don't show up overnight. They work in silence. And by the time you notice, your glow is already gone. But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover something uncomfortable. One of these habits you've already done today. There are people who walk into a room and you notice their skin instantly. It's not makeup. It's not lighting. It's that natural glow. Clean, alive, effortless. And then there are people who try everything. Expensive products, trendy routines, endless advice. But their skin still looks tired, flat, dull. So what's the difference? It's not what they're adding. It's what they've stopped doing. And once you understand this, everything changes. Let's start with something you probably did last night. You went to bed, but not really. Lights off, room quiet, but your face still lit up by your phone. Just one video, then another. Then suddenly, an hour is gone. And while you're scrolling, your skin is waiting. Because nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. It fixes damage, rebuilds cells, restores glow. But when you delay sleep, that repair window shrinks, and your skin doesn't get what it needs. So the next morning, you look off. Not terrible, just not fresh. And that's how it starts. Slowly, quietly, until one day, that tired look becomes your normal. Now here's something even more dangerous, because you don't even notice it. You touch your face, all the time. Not aggressively, just small things. Leaning on your hand, scratching an itch, adjusting your skin. Feels harmless, but every time you touch your face, you transfer bacteria, oil, dirt, and your skin reacts. But that's not the worst part. The real damage is mechanical. Tiny pressure, tiny friction. Over time, it breaks your skin barrier. And once that barrier is weak, your glow disappears. Not instantly, but gradually. And that's why most people never connect the dots. Now think about this. You drink water. You try to stay healthy. But your skin still looks dry. Still looks tired. So what's missing? Because hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's about keeping it in your skin. And most people unknowingly destroy that ability. Hot showers that strip natural oils. Harsh cleansers that leave your skin exposed. Dry air that pulls moisture out. So even if you drink water, your skin can't hold it. And without moisture, there is no glow. Just flat, lifeless skin. Now let's talk about something deeper. Something most people ignore. Your food. Because your skin is not separate from your body. It reflects everything happening inside you. Every sugary snack, every processed meal. It creates inflammation, and your skin shows it. Dull tone, breakouts, uneven texture. And here's the scary part. You might think it's random, but it's not. It's a pattern, a direct reaction. What you eat today, your face shows tomorrow. Now here's a habit that feels right, but quietly does damage. Washing your face too much. It feels clean, it feels fresh. But your skin isn't meant to be constantly stripped. Those natural oils, they're not the enemy. They protect you. They keep your skin balanced. But when you wash too often, you remove that protection, and your skin goes into defense mode. It becomes dry, then oily, then unstable. And that instability kills your glow. Now imagine this. You step outside, just for a few minutes. No sunscreen, no protection. You think, it's just a short time. But those minutes add up, every single day. And the sun, it doesn't need hours to damage you. It works slowly, quietly, breaking down your skin, layer by layer, causing tiny changes you can't see yet, until one day you notice uneven tone, dark spots, fine lines, and you wonder why. And now, the most powerful one, the one that affects everything else: stress. You don't always feel it. Sometimes you're just busy, overthinking, always on. But your body knows, and your skin shows it. Stress changes your hormones. It affects your sleep, your healing, your balance. And suddenly, your face looks tired, even when you slept. Your glow fades, even when you're trying. Because your skin reflects your internal state, always. Now here's where everything connects. It's not one habit, it's all of them, stacked together, day after day, each one taking a little piece of your glow. Until one day, you look in the mirror and something feels off. You don't look bad, just not like you used to. But here's the truth most people never hear. Your glow isn't gone. It's not lost. It's just hidden, covered by damage. And the moment you remove that damage, your skin starts coming back. Not slowly, faster than you expect. Because your body already knows how to heal. You just have to stop interrupting it. Imagine this. You wake up, you look in the mirror, and for the first time in a long time, your skin looks alive. Not perfect, not filtered, just healthy, real glow. And the best part? It didn't come from expensive products. It came from small changes, small decisions, repeated daily. So now you have a choice. You can go back to your habits, ignore this, and keep wondering why your glow is fading. Or you can change a few things, just a few, and watch what happens. Because the difference between dull skin and glowing skin isn't luck, it's awareness. And now that you're aware, you can't unsee it. So the real question is, what are you going to do next?